need to connect your FastMCP application to a remote server as if it were local. You'll see how to create a transparent proxy that lets your main server delegate requests to a remote MCP instance seamlessly. The pattern uses FastMCP as proxy to wrap a remote client, then mounts it with automatic proxy routing, so the remote server behaves like a native component.
Create a proxy for a remote server. Remote proxy equals FastMCP as proxy client, http://example com/mcp. Mount the proxy, always uses proxy mounting. Main server, mount, remote proxy prefix equals remote.
This demonstrates the proxy pattern combined with server composition, enabling seamless integration between local and remote MCP servers. The pattern creates a transparent abstraction where a local server can delegate requests to remote services as if they were local components, while maintaining consistent naming and access patterns. What makes this distinctive is the ability to dynamically link servers at runtime without modifying either the client or server implementations. The composition works by establishing a live delegation chain where the main server acts as a facade, routing prefixed requests to mounted servers or proxies. This follows the principle of separation of concerns, where the main server handles coordination while mounted servers focus on their specialized functionality. The proxy layer ensures location transparency, making remote services appear local to both the main server and its clients. This approach solves the challenge of distributed system integration while maintaining a unified interface. It enables modular development where teams can work on independent servers that are later composed, and supports gradual migration from monolithic to microservice architectures. The trade-off is runtime performance overhead from delegation, which is why FastMCP offers both static importing for finalized components and dynamic mounting for modular systems. Let's break it down line by line.
Create a proxy for a remote server. Remote proxy equals FastMCP as proxy client, http://example com/mcp.
This creates a proxy client for a remote FastMCP server at the given endpoint. The proxy pattern lets you interact with remote tools as if they were local, abstracting away network calls. FastMCP handles the serialization and transport automatically.
Mount the proxy, always uses proxy mounting. Main server, mount, remote proxy prefix equals remote.
This mounts the remote proxy under the remote prefix on the main server. Proxy mounting routes all requests starting with remote to the external server, creating a unified API surface. The pattern enables seamless integration of distributed services while maintaining clean URL namespacing. FastMCP proxy composition. The asProxy, method, and mount operation create transparent bridges between local and remote servers, enabling transport-agnostic communication while preserving all MCP protocol features. Proxy mounting always occurs through the proxy mechanism, never as a direct server connection. This pattern lets you compose distributed systems as if they were local components.
The server that becomes a proxy disappears into every connection